If you're serious about video quality, then lighting is everything. The FS150B by NEEWER is a powerful bicolor COB light boasting up to 170 watts of consistent output, perfect for creators, filmmakers, and live streamers. A key light shapes your subject. It defines the mood, the contrast, and also the depth. With FS150B, you have the full control, with bicolor range from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. By itself, COB light can be very harsh, so pairing it with a large parabolic softbox shapes the light into a soft, flat-tray source which is perfect for interviews or product shots. With the balanced mount, setup is seamless. Just twist, click, and you're ready to shoot. From content creation to cinematic storytelling, great lights tell the story better.